How to fix 8-ball pool connection problem. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can fix connection problem on the 8-ball pool game. So if you're having connection issues, first off you want to start by switching your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, try to turn off your Wi-Fi and try to use cellular data and actually see if that helps you solve the problem, because most of the times it could be due to unstable internet connection. If you're using the app or game on Android, what you can do is you can simply long press on the 8-ball pool app from your home screen or your app screen. Then on any Android phone, you'll actually find this I button that says app info. You can just go there, and from there you can go to storage usage, where you can clear the cache and you can also clear the data. If you're using on iPhone, you can try to offload the app. Now after you've done that, go to your Play Store or App Store, search for the 8-ball pool game, and you essentially want to check if the game has an update available, and if it does, then you want to make sure to update it to the latest version. And hopefully one of these may have definitely helped you solve the problem. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.